How to fix Facebook Marketplace icon missing on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. On this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix Facebook Marketplace icon missing error. Well, if your Facebook icon, the Marketplace icon on Facebook is missing, simply open up Facebook Fresh. Now it's the same on Android or iOS, so head over to your menu option or the profile icon in case of Android users, and you want to head into settings. Basically, you want to head into settings and privacy on Facebook, scroll down, and under preferences you shall find the option tab bar. You want to tap on it and then tap on customize the bar. Now here, if normally it'll all be on auto, here I've pinned it, so you want to tap on the auto option if it is showing up auto there, and anyways you want to tap on the arrow at the right hand side of the marketplace and you want to set it to pin. You want to pin it. If you want to set it to auto, you can set it to auto, but that will also probably hide Facebook Marketplace as it is auto selected depending on your activity on the marketplace. So you want to pin it so that it remains there and won't be removed. So this is how you can fix Facebook Marketplace icon missing. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.